SRC proudly recognizes South Miami Hospital's dually accredited Surgeons of Excellence in both minimally invasive gynecology and robotic surgery. These medical professionals are leaders in providing safe, innovative, and patient-centered care through Baptist Health's Miami Cancer Institute in South Florida. SRC is a nonprofit patient safety organization that accredits the top hospitals and surgeons worldwide.
Accreditation for the Center of Excellence in Minimally Invasive Gynecologic Surgery was something we felt was important to our institution. We had excellent surgeons and we had excellent nursing staff and pathologists, but it really wasn't coordinated together. And so by going after this accreditation, it really forced us to make sure that we were all aligned in our mission to improve surgical outcomes for women. And so this helped come together the group of not only excellent surgeons, but our nursing leadership, our pathology, and our ancillary services to make sure that we have the best possible outcomes for these patients after a minimally invasive approach. And also to ensure that we hold everyone accountable to these outcomes.
What that means for patients is that when you come to South Miami Hospital, the experience you have should be a very consistent one. We have guidelines that we follow, we have pathways that we follow, and these all have been not only nationally accredited, but are there because of the quality outcomes.
With this designation, it means not only that you have one surgeon with this expertise, but we have an entire program dedicated to this. And so it brings up the entire hospital system. We're able to compare ourselves to other institutions around the country and make sure that we are having the best outcomes by looking at different metrics to see that patients are doing well after their surgeries.
I think one of the things that I'm most proud of as the medical director of robotic surgery for the health system is in the thoughtful approach that we take in looking at this technology. So some of the milestones that we've achieved are the number of cases performed in this institution. We've committed to it and can create that type of volume while maintaining a high quality.
Collaborating with my partners in gynecologic oncology, not just my physician partners, but also my advanced practice provider partners, gives the patient the opportunity to get really the very best care. In surgery, being able to operate with one of my partners on a large, complex ovarian cancer debulking, for example, not only helps me to be a better surgeon, but gives the patient the opportunity to be operated on by a team of surgeons.
One thing about robotic surgery that is very important is that it's the surgeon operating. So the surgeon has to be really good at what they do. And then the robotics is just another tool that they use. So it allows for additional control, allows for additional precision, it allows for improvement of vision. So all those things you might imagine really lend themselves to better outcomes and better safety when you have those added features that help you see better, control better, and work in a smaller environment.
The biggest benefit of robotic surgery or minimally invasive surgery in general is the recovery is much better. Quicker return to function, whatever that might be for you, whether it's physical activity, work, taking care of kids, just allows you to get back to your normal life and kind of put the surgery behind you quicker.
You used to have an incision from here to here. Now you have 5 8mm incisions. What does the patient get? Faster recovery, smaller incisions, faster back to their activities of daily living or their job, less postoperative pain, usually less blood loss, so on and so forth.
These SRC accredited Surgeons of Excellence are dedicated to a better overall surgical experience for their patients by delivering personalized treatment options through minimally invasive surgery and providing exceptional comprehensive support services. For more information or to schedule an appointment, call 786-596-2000 or visit MiamiCancerInstitute.com.